Guys, what's going on this morning? Do you have a hiccup chorus? Hiccup chorus? Jackie, Blake, your hiccups are gone. No, they're not. They're back.